In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a row float in Google Sheets. By doing this, anywhere we move in the spreadsheet, the rows that we chose to float will remain fixed on the screen. So to do this, the first thing that we would do is to select the range of rows that we would like to float. So let's say for this video, we're going to float row 1 up to row 10. After selecting the range of rows, simply navigate to View, and in View, go to Freeze. In here, you can see up to row 10 since this is the range that we selected. Simply click up to row 10 in here, and now row 1 up to row 10 is fixed on the screen. Anywhere we move, even though we scroll down to the most bottom part of the spreadsheet, row 1 to row 10 will now be fixed on the display. And that's about it. That's how to make a row float in Google Sheets. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.